I'm just so excited. You know why? Because there's no more limit to what you can do with your laptop. You can do anything you want. You can type in any language. So there is no more barrier, okay? Now, here is the answer you seek on how to type in Igbo language on your laptop, okay? There are so many ways you can do this. I've made my first video on how to do this. Now, this one is focusing on all manner of typings, okay? Provided you take these techniques. If you follow these steps, you can type in Igbo language on any section on your laptop. It could be on your notepad, it could be on your email, it could be on your Microsoft Word, it could be on online chats, as long as you navigate your way right. So first of all, here are the shortcut keys. You can see my cursor. These shortcut keys, you have to know it offhand. So there are so many ways you can navigate to select language, to put select language in your laptop, okay? But one of the fastest way is Shift plus Alt. When you type, hold your Shift key, hold your Alt key. It will help you to choose any language of your choice, alright? So practice, hold your Alt key, hold your Shift key, what comes up? Alright, so now look at where my mouse is. Can you see my cursor? Good. You see this? Alright. Now I left clicked. Here is Igbo, here is English. Select Igbo. Alright? Fine. Once you've selected Igbo, now you can easily type. It doesn't affect every of your documents on your system. It doesn't affect your programming, your user interface. Everything will still be in English. But this particular one is just for you to be able to type. Alright? Now, good. So let's go further. Now, having done that, the next you should know is Alt plus GR. No, Alt GR. Now, on your this is for Windows 10, alright? So if you're using Windows, you see at your right hand side, you see the Alt GR is closer to your space button. Alright, it's closer to your space button. So hold it, put your keyboard on caps lock is capital. Alright, so let's practice. Then hold your control, your O rather. O, while you're still holding your Alt GR, your O. Alright, good. Done. Alright, so that will give you O with dot. Did it work? Did it work in your end? So let me do enter key and type along with you. Alright, so here we go. Now good. So Alt GR plus oh, no wonder it's not typing. My own is still in English. Okay, fine. Now let me change it back to Igbo. Correct. Alright, so here we go. Oh, good. Remember it's in caps. Now we got the capital letter. This is for capital letter. Now let's try the same thing. Okay, let's just first finish the three capitals. Then the same process. Your laptop is still on caps lock. Okay, your cap is on. Hold your GR. Type O. You see, it's giving us O with dots. The same thing. Type, hold it, click on your normal I on keyboard. It's giving us I with dots. Okay, these are the three letters that makes the difference in Igbo typing. If apart from that, you can use the normal English alphabet to navigate the rest of the sounds. Okay. Oh, one more is mixing the N with dots. Let me add it. It escaped my mind. Alright, so let me add it here. Alright, so this will be N. Then so let's do the same thing. Alt GR, hold your N. You see? The N with dots. So let's repeat the process in this small letters. Right? Alright, so here we go. Now, so for this one, hold your Alt. Now you have to remove your keyboard from caps for this one because I'm just adding it now. Alt GR, then your N first of all, no, normal N, type it normally, then Alt then N. You can see it very, very easy. So let's practice. All right, so let's practice. Let me just practice on this space. So what are we going to type? Let's type mouth. Mouth means onu in Igbo. So let's start. You know, you have to start with capital letter. So put your caps on, O-N, then N, then remove your caps, U. Oh, shit. Okay, U. Correct. Okay, equals mouth. Okay, so let's type to drink. Eno. So how are we gonna do it? Put your caps, put your I, then remove your caps, put your N. Hold your Alt GR, put your N, then type your U. Equals to drink. So this is how you do it. You know, you may feel it's very, very difficult now, but trust me, by the time you continuously type consistently, always with it, it will be very, very easy for you. It will be very easy. If I know it offhand, don't need to, try to figure it out. It will just be a part and parcel of you. Just know how to navigate. It's very easy, okay? It's very easy. I hope with this video you've cleared your doubt, okay? It's very, very easy. You can type on anything. You can literally type on anything, right? So have a nice day. Don't worry, this video I'm gonna make it speaking pure Igbo, full Igbo, okay? But first of all, I did it so that everybody will be able to comprehend. Then next is for only Igbo speakers. Then I will speak full Igbo.